Bună ziua and welcome back to the I LEARN Romanian channel. Today we are going to learn about the verb to know. The verb to know in Romanian is a ști. A ști. We are going to conjugate it in the present tense, and then I will give you a couple of examples for sentences and different ways to use the verb. So I know would be eu știu. Eu știu. You know for one person would be tu știi. He knows would be el știe. She knows would be ea știe. We know would be noi știm. You know for plural it's going to be voi știți. You know in a formal way would be dumneavoastră știți. And eventually we have they know, male, which would be ei știu, and female would be ele știu. And now we can use this either with normal elements such as eu știu română. I know Romanian. Or you can use it to say I know to speak Romanian. Tu, or like tu știi. Let's use this example. Tu știi să vorbești română. And you can also say el știe că. Că means that. El știe că afară plouă. I challenge you to leave the translation of the sentence el știe că afară plouă in the comments. And I'm going to give you one more example. Noi știm cum, so we know how, yeah? Noi știm cum să facem pizza. We know how to make pizza. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Book a free trial lesson with me on my website if you want to learn from me one-on-one, or if you want to join a small group lesson with other learners. This is for more advanced, intermediate to advanced students. And if you want to practice more Romanian grammar, I invite you to purchase my new book, which is called the Essential Romanian Grammar Workbook. The book comes together with an answer key so that you can check your answers on your own, anytime, anywhere, and you can improve without having to deal with a lot of teachers, online lessons, or really expensive courses. I wish you an amazing day, and until next time, la revedere!